Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I've got a really cool truck for you. It's a 1997 GMC Sierra C1500, and this truck only has 69,000 original miles. Has a ton of cool upgrades like Pro Performance brakes, American Racing torque thrust wheels, Stage 2 QA1 suspension with coilovers on all four corners. So a ton of really cool things. And then also with this truck being low mileage, it's in really good condition. And as most of you guys know, the OBSs out here are getting harder and harder to find with low miles like this. So this is a great example. This is a really good collector piece or investment piece if you're looking for one. But let's start with the exterior of this truck and we'll talk about the overall condition of it. As you can see, the front end of this truck is really nice. The chrome is still in excellent condition. Your grille is in excellent condition as well. The paint still shows very nice up front here. Your headlights are in excellent condition. Your marker lights look great. A lot of times these will get faded and oxidized and turn like a yellowish brown color. No issues with this on this truck. The hood is in excellent condition. The paint looks fantastic. It's like a dark green with some metallic flake in it, and it looks really nice on this truck. As we work our way around the side of the truck, your fender's in excellent condition. Your stainless molding here is in excellent condition as well. Up front, you do have 20-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, and you can see those big, giant 15-inch rotors behind those wheels right there. The Pro Performance kit is really nice. I had that on my personal OBS. It's a really nice kit. You also have a Nitto G2 tire with 245 wide up front, which is really nice. The glass on this truck is in excellent condition. The plastic cowl still looks really nice. No cracks on your dash up here, which is really good. Mirrors are in excellent condition. All the weather stripping here around the window looks really nice. Your molding's still in really good condition down the side of the truck. No issues with sagging doors on this truck, which is really nice. That's a typical issue with these. Your cab is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any weird paint issues or anything like that going on. The side of the bed is in excellent condition as well. You've got a really nice leather tunnel cover back here, which looks really good on the truck. And then out back, you do have that 20-inch American Racing torque thrust wheel with that Nitto G2, and it's a 295 wide tire, so plenty of grip back there to hit the pavement with this beautiful sport truck. As we work our way around the back side of the truck here, your tail lights are in excellent condition. The paint on the tailgate looks good as well. All your badges back here on the back look really nice. Chrome on the bumper looks good as well. Also forgot to mention the back glass on this truck looks really nice. No issues with that. Another really cool thing they added to this truck is they did the easy open tailgate, which adds like a little shock there. Allows the tailgate to drop down nice and easy for you. You've got a nice Holley rubber bed mat back here in the back, which looks really good as well. Paint overall back here looks good. The bed was used, but it's not dented up or beat up or anything like that. A nice bed liner back there would be a nice upgrade for this truck. But overall, a very nice truck, guys. Only 69,000 miles on it, so it's in really good condition. But let's work our way back up front so I can show you the small block Chevy underneath the hood. All right, guys, let's check out the engine. A few upgrades here. You've got a set of long tube headers. You've got a nice cold air intake that runs over here where the factory box was. So you're getting all that fresh air coming through the fender, which is really nice. And as you can see, the engine bay is very clean, which is what you expect from a truck with 69,000 original miles. This truck also has been tuned, so you're getting a little extra power out of that small block Chevy underneath the hood here. AC blows cold. All your plastics are in excellent condition. The firewall looks really clean. Brake master cylinder looks great over there as well. But overall, a really nice truck that's very clean underneath the engine bay, just as clean as it is on the exterior. But guys, let's wrap this up and let's work to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, let's check out the interior on this low mileage OBS. But before we get started, I want to go over some of the paperwork that we have on this truck. We do have the original owner's manual here, which is really nice. It's in great condition. We also have the original window sticker here, guys. Let me open this up for you, which is really nice. All this is on our website. We have tons of pictures of this, but I just wanted to show you that for the video, that we do have it, and it'll be in the truck when you purchase it. Overall, the interior of this truck is in really good condition. As you can tell, it's the gray interior, which looks really nice on this emerald green. Door panels are in excellent condition. You do have crank windows, which is really nice in my opinion. It's just less things that can go wrong versus having power windows. The dash is in excellent condition. These things are notorious for getting baked in the sun and cracking. This one has no cracks on it, and it's in really, really good condition. Your gauges are in good condition, and they all work as they should. Steering wheel is overall great condition as well. The material on the seats, the cloth and all, looks really nice in here. I'm not seeing any kind of excessive wear here on the bolstering of the seat. Looks really nice. The padding's still nice and firm here. You do have the stock GM radio in here as well, and like I mentioned earlier, AC blows cold and heat blows hot, which is really nice. Blower motor is still working really nice, which is also a common issue with these. Let's take a look at the headliner. The headliner's in excellent condition. Your sun visors look really nice. No sagging headliner or anything like that. Dome light is working. Overall, the interior on this OBS is very, very nice, which is what you expect, once again, from a truck with 69,000 original miles. But let's get to my favorite part, and let's go take this bad boy for a drive. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the OBS, and I'm super impressed with this truck. With the upgraded tune on the engine, this thing's got plenty of power. The long tube headers make the exhaust sound fantastic. The ride quality on this truck with the QA1 Stage 2 suspension is fantastic. The steering feels really, really nice. Now, some of the weak points on these OBS trucks are the sloppy steering, spongy brakes, and not the best suspension. But with this truck, with all the upgrades, it's definitely not that anymore. I mean, this thing handles like a car. I mean, it is very, very impressive with how good it handles. And I'm actually very, very impressed with the engine. You know, a lot of people are doing LS swaps in these, but with the upgrades done to this one, it's got plenty of power. You know, I mean, you're not gonna win no crazy race with it, but it's definitely fun to drive, and the exhaust note sounds fantastic on this truck. The transmission shift's really nice as well. We've got the AC going inside of here, which is really nice as well. Radio works like it should. Overall, just a fantastic driving truck. If you wanted to leave the small block Chevy in here, it would be just a fantastic truck to cruise around in. But if you are looking to down the road swap an LS in it, it would be nice for that as well. You would have all the supporting mods like the upgraded brakes and suspension and steering components. So overall, you've just got a fantastic platform to do whatever you want with it. Me personally, this thing is just so nice and drives so good the way it is. I don't really see a need to put some high performance motor in it. I think it's great the way it is, but if you're one of those guys that want a little extra power, you could definitely throw an LS in it, and it would make this truck very, very nice. But overall, very, very nice truck to drive. Suspension feels great. Very, very impressed. Anybody would be happy to get in this truck and drive it long distance or just go out on a weekend cruise. Well, we're gonna head back to the shop, put this one up on the lift, and I'm gonna show you all the suspension underneath. All right, guys, we got the OBS back here at the lift after that test drive, and as you can see, underneath here is very, very nice. We're gonna start up front here. I did mention earlier that this does have the Stage 2 QA1 suspension on it, so that's gonna give you the tubular upper and lower A-arms, coilovers, some really, really beefy tie rod ends here, and a really thick sway bar. All your other steering components are new up here, and that's really what's gonna give this truck great handling and give that great feel in the steering, which feels really nice on this truck. The cross member's in excellent condition here. It's nice and clean. Oil pan's nice and dry. The truck just had a fresh oil change that we did on it when it came in. Transmission pan's nice and dry as well. You can see those jet coated long tube headers there that look really, really nice and give this truck a really nice sound. Your transmission cross member here looks nice and clean, no issues with that. You've got really nice stainless exhaust that runs all the way back with a Y pipe right here. You do have a little catalytic converter here, which is really nice for you guys that have to have cats on your trucks in your state. The frame looks really nice here. It's nice and clean. You can see all this QA1 suspension, all the upgraded bracing that comes with this torque arm here to keep that rear end nice and plain, to keep you from getting a bunch of wheel hop, which is really nice. Got an additional brace here as well. You got some nice tubular control arms here that replace the leaf springs, which is a big plus. The rear end has a Posi unit in it. To ask me how I know, I might have tested it. But you got 373 gears in here as well. And you've got all the upgraded suspension in the rear as well to keep this thing nice and planted. A nice thick sway bar here, coilovers. And once again, you do have those big giant brakes out back here as well, which is a big upgrade. You can see that your exhaust runs over the axle and dumps out the backside of the truck here, which is really nice. All the welds are TIG welded, which are really clean. This is a really nice truck, guys. It's a really quality build. And like I said, you could take this truck several different directions. You could LS swap it or leave it how it is. Like I said, me personally, I think the truck drives so good and handles so nice. I don't really see the reason you'd want to swap it. But if you are one of those guys that do want to do it, this is a great platform to do it. Like I said, with all the upgrades, it definitely makes this truck ready to swap a big OLS motor in it. But guys, we're going to wrap up this video. If you like this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for me or my partner Justin. We can help you with shipping, financing, anything you need to get this dream truck parked in your driveway. But guys, we're going to wrap up this video and we'll catch you on the next one.